Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So we are studying our lesson that is frogs in the fountain, फवारे में मेंढक. Today we are going to start it from here, last para on page number 13. I can't sleep a wink, complained Aunt Mabel. Writer is saying that Aunt Mabel complained that she is unable to fall asleep. She is unable to fall asleep. Wink basically means to open or close an eye quickly. जल्दी से आँख को खोलना या बंद करना. But here its contextual meaning is for a short time, for a very little time. So Aunt Mabel complained that she is unable to fall asleep even for a short time. Who was sensitive to noise and allergic to choirs made up entirely of bass singers. Okay, now writer is providing you with the reasons, okay, that why Aunt Mabel was unable to fall asleep. So first reason is that she was sensitive to noise, okay. Second reason, and allergic to choirs. What is this word? Choirs. Its singular form is choir, 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 okay, without s. Choir means a group of singers. बहुत सारे singers जब मिल के गाते हैं, ठीक है, okay. Choirs, groups of singers made up entirely of bass singers. So Aunt Mabel was allergic to choirs made up consist of entirely of bass singers. Okay, now writer is comparing frogs with bass singers. Bass singers. Who is a bass singer? A bass singer is a singer whose voice can be very powerful, okay. Whose voice can have a vibrating effect, okay. So frog's voice is also very disturbing. That is why writer is comparing, okay, frogs with bass singers. Who was means Aunt Mabel was sensitive to noise and allergic, and she was allergic to what? To choirs, to a group of singers made up entirely of bass singers, made up entirely of frogs, okay. You can say bass singers here means frogs. Simply you can say, you can replace this word by frogs. Okay, now come to page number 14. They are serenading you. Serenade means to sing for the sake of your beloved. किसी से आप मोहब्बत करो, उसके लिए आप गाना गाओ, ठीक है, कहते हैं serenade. They are serenading you. They are singing for you because they love you, okay. I said, writer is saying that I said to Aunt Mabel that frogs are singing for you because they love you. It was a long time since anyone had serenaded Aunt Mabel, a confirmed spinster in her early 40s. It was a long time since anyone had serenaded Aunt Mabel. बहुत टाइम हो गया है Aunt Mabel के लिए किसी ने गाना नहीं गाया. A confirmed spinster in her early 40s. Now writer is telling you about the age of Aunt Mabel, that she was almost 40 years old, okay. And second thing, she was a confirmed spinster. Now who is a spinster? Spinster is basically a woman, an older woman, older woman who is unmarried. Okay, they'll go away once the rains finish, said Gran, means granny, hopefully grandmother. Okay, but they did not go away, but they didn't go away. One day screams came from the bathroom. One day cries, sure, okay, loud sound came from the bathroom. Aunt Mabel screaming for help. Aunt Mabel was crying for help. She was asking for help. Granny, the Khan Sama and I ran to her aid. Okay, means we all ran to rescue her. AID, aid means to rescue someone, to help someone. Okay, so writer is saying that grandmother, granny, Khan Sama and I ran to help her and discovered that the cause of her distress, the cause of her tension, distress means tension, the cause of her tension was a large frog swimming around in the pot. I pulled the flush chain. There was a loud gurgling sound. There was a loud gurgling sound. Gurgling sound, a very loud sound. Okay, you can say a bubbling sound. Bubbling sound. गरगराने की आवाज़. A combination of frog and flush, and out jumped the frog. And frog came out straight into Aunt Mabel's arms. She left for Lucknow that day, saying she would be safer in a zoo where her cousin was the superintendent. Now writer is saying that as a result of this tragedy, Aunt Mabel left for Lucknow. She went to Lucknow. Okay, saying she would be safer in a zoo where her cousin was the superintendent. She went to Lucknow towards her cousin, okay, who was a superintendent in a zoo. Well, Granny hired some laborers to empty the lily pond and round up as many frogs as they could. Well, Granny hired some laborers. Granny managed some workers, laborers, workers, okay, to empty the lily pond and round up and collect as many frogs as they could. Round up means to collect. They were put into baskets and taken to some mysterious destination. They were put into baskets and taken to some mysterious destination, unknown places. Okay, the frogs were now taken to some unknown places. Perhaps they have been exported to China. Perhaps, probably, shayad, they have been exported to China. I mused. That is saying that I thought, मैंने सोचा, probably the frogs have been exported to China or even to France. They eat frogs there, don't they? वहाँ पे वो खाते हैं frogs, don't they? क्या नहीं खाते? Only the legs, said Granny. Only the legs, said Granny.